Traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Today is Tuesday, the 26th of September, and we're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's start with the trade I actually took, guys, and it was Swiss franc Japanese yen. And ever since we've broken out of this descending triangle, guys, we have been looking for shorts, as you know. Yeah, this candle broke out of that triangle, yeah, and hence we've been looking for shorts. And if we still look at the other candles, guys, these are all selling candles. That wick tells me price has rejected this level, and also yesterday we had bearish candle as well. So everything's telling me sellers are still in control, and we're still aiming to take it back down to this blue line. If we drop down to the H1 now, so I was in this trade from Friday. Okay, so I got in over here, yeah, but I actually added to my trade yesterday. So if we just follow H1 structure, yeah, then the market shows you that this becomes an important level. Yeah, that's not me creating this level. That's the market showing me. Yeah, it's held once, it's held twice. It actually holds again over here. All right. And then we get this horrible overnight action. And then eventually we see this candle. Yeah, that breaks these lows. This is a confirmation that H1 structure has become a downtrend. Okay, and that's what I'm looking for a lot of the time, guys, is just a structure break in order for me to enter. Okay, so yeah, we get this candle here. You know, we can start selling as soon as we get this break. These are the last swing highs, so we can put our stop loss above here or hedge, whatever you use. Yeah, and the idea was just to come back down to these lows. Yeah, and that's exactly what happened, guys. We come down here. I've closed 80% of my trade at this level, and I'm still in this trade for 20%. Okay, and what I'll do, guys, is move my hedge to just above here now. Okay, because this is the last H1 swing high. Okay, and that's where we are, guys. Yeah, so nice trade, Swiss franc yen, simple price action trade. Yeah, and that's where we are. If we zoom out now, yeah, you can see these levels. Yeah, so again, the market tells you this is the level from which you can take profit at. Yeah, that's the level. Yeah, and you can see we're starting to get a bit of a reaction here. So take profit. Yeah, it's telling you to. Yeah, so there we are, guys. Swiss franc yen, good trade. Hope you took it. Let me know if you did. The next trade was pound yen. Obviously, I didn't trade this one because this is highly correlated with Swiss franc yen. We're both looking, you know, both trades are looking for yen strength. But let's take a look at this trade nonetheless. So again, this was looking for shorts. Okay. And when I became interested in this pair was with this candle here. Okay. As soon as this candle breaks all of these lows in here and actually breaks out of this gray zone, I'm interested. And similar scenario with Swiss franc yen. You know, we've had these rejection candles as well. All right. So I still think we got room to the downside by the looks of these candles. The sellers are still in control. If we drop down to the H1 now, it didn't do anything, basically, guys. Yeah, the pound yen, look at that. It just, you know, trade that if you can. Just did nothing. Yeah. Remember, guys, we were looking for either this price comes up to this gray zone, you know, hence you can see my alarm. We get a reaction, we come lower, or price breaks this level. With Swiss franc yen, it did break this level, but with pound yen, it just never broke. This kept holding. Yeah, we wanted a break, retest, and then we come lower. So pound yen just didn't do anything, guys, so it was untradeable. Yeah, you do not want to be in this kind of price action. Yeah, disgusting. So yeah, those were the two trades from yesterday, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis, enjoy receiving my trade ideas every day, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, smash that notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if I could also ask everyone to please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the vid and the channel, guys. Muchas gracias. Right, trades for Tuesday the 26th of September. Before we get started, guys, let me just mention a few things that we do. So first of all, we've got the free Discord channel. If you haven't joined it yet, join it. It's free. We've got traders in there sharing ideas, knowledge. We've got indicators, psychology, money management, books. We've got loads of cool things, guys. Come join it. The link is in the video description. We also have the VIP Discord channel, okay? You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions if you need help with anything. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We have 2 other expert traders sharing their ideas as well. I give you exclusive content every single week. And you get access to a performance coach should you need it. So much value in there, guys. Come join the VIP Discord. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to learn how to trade, I run a mentorship session where I coach you one-on-one. So if you're interested in that, then drop us an email and I'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. And next, guys, if you watch my analysis vids every day, watch the live stream, then you can show your appreciation and support by becoming a Simply Forex YouTube member. Yeah, it starts from as little as $2 a month, and you get some really cool perks for doing so as well. So check that out. The link is in the video description. And finally, guys, don't forget the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Be there or be square. Haven't used that phrase for a while. All right, guys. So that's that. Now let's look at the trades for today, Tuesday, the 26th of September. So Euro US dollar. We are looking to sell Euro US dollar. So if you remember yesterday, guys, I was telling you how Euro US dollar was at a very interesting level because this is an interesting weekly level, guys, here, this gray zone in here. All right. So if I zoom in now, you can see that the daily candle broke all of it. Yeah, it broke all of these last lows. Okay. So we're in a downtrend. Okay. It's not massively oversold because look at the moving average 20. All right. And we've got a bearish candle that broke all the lows. Okay. So lots of things to like here. This level didn't hold. All right, but let me zoom out again because we have another important level in here. You can see this would be a very nice weekly level. Okay, but we've got room to move into. Okay, so the idea is just to come down to this next weekly level. Let me show you the weekly chart, guys, so you can see these levels. Yeah, so it's broken this level. Yeah, and now we've got this level in here. Okay, so that's it. If it breaks one level, I'm just looking to take price to the next level. Yeah, simple as that. If the level doesn't hold. Okay, and if we go back to the day chart, guys, as you can see, we've got a little bit more room to move into. Okay, and I'm going to go for this 105.50 psychological level just before it hits the resistance, the support, sorry. If we drop down to the H4, yeah, it's a bit of a H4 play, guys, because obviously, we need a retrace. Yeah, if we get a retrace, I'm looking for a retrace back into here, guys. We get a retrace back into here. Maybe the moving average 20 catches up as well. This could be a really nice area to short this back down to here. All right, guys. So that's what I'm looking for, a reaction in this gray zone. So that's the first trade idea, Euro US dollar short. The next trade idea is this, is Aussie dollar against the New Zealand dollar. All right. If we start with the day chart, because the day is my torch in the dark, my shining light, my compass, my navigator. Last one wasn't very good, but you get the gist. Yeah, so what the day chart generally does, I do, and the day chart is clearly in a downtrend. And again, it's just broken a level. And now I'm looking to take it to the next level. Not rocket science, guys. Yeah, simple price action, keeping an eye on support and resistance, and that's it. So yeah, as you can see, guys, we was in this range. Yeah, and then ever since it broke that range with this candle, we've been looking for shorts. Yeah. And again, we got another bearish candle yesterday that broke this last piece of support. Okay. And if I zoom out a bit, you can see we've got this level in here where price has reacted, but we've got some room to move into. And that's the idea, just to take those few pips back down to 0.742. If we drop down to the H4 now, I'm looking to trade from this grey zone. Yeah, you can see our target down here. Yeah, so we need a bit of a retrace to get some value. So I want to see a retrace back into this grey zone, which is actually a daily level, but it coincides nicely with the last H4 low. Yeah, so I want to see a reaction in here. Maybe the moving average 20 catches up. If it does, great. We are going to sell this pair back down to here, guys. All right. So Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, we're shorting this pair as well. And then finally, guys, the last couple of trades are a bit deja vu. So before I do though, guys, let me just say, if you enjoy my analysis every day, please come and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you. I give you my trade ideas. So subscribe to the channel right now, guys, and also smash the like button. Also, guys, don't forget all the cool things we do: free Discord, VIP Discord, mentorship, Simply Forex YouTube membership, and the live streams. Everything is in the video description. I almost forgot there. And yeah, let's carry on then. So the last two trades are this, guys. Yeah, the two yen pairs that we were looking at. So we still like these trades. So Swiss franc, Japanese yen, not much has changed, guys. Yeah, we broke out of this, descending triangle. And just all of these candles still are bearish. Yeah. And we've got a bit more room to move into before we hit some resistance over here. Sorry, some support. Okay. So yeah, we carry on with this trade. If we drop down to the H4, okay, let's drop down to the H1 actually. Because there's a few levels we can trade here. So a few scenarios. So you can see this level here has been holding. All right. So the first scenario is we get a break, we get a retest. Yeah. And then we can start selling this pair back down to the blue line. That's the first scenario, guys. Second scenario, we know this from yesterday has become an important zone. So price comes back up to here. We get a bearish reaction. And then we start to take price lower. Okay. Potentially even back up to these highs here, guys. It could. Yeah, price could retrace back up to here. And again, if we get a bearish reaction, I'm all over it. Yeah, I'll probably take some profit here with this trade and then let some money run. All right. So yeah, those are the three scenarios for Swiss franc yen, but we are looking to sell this pair. And I suggest you do the same, guys. I know pretty much where I'm going to sell Swiss franc yen before it's even happened. Yeah, I plan my trades. I understand my trades. There's no, there's no surprises really. If it hits here, we get a reaction, I enter. If it does this, I enter. Yeah, really plan your trades, guys. Spend the time analyzing the charts in the morning. Yeah, it's the best hour, or however long it takes you to do, the best hour you'll ever spend. All right. So yeah, Swiss franc yen, we're looking to short this pair, as we still are pound yen. Yeah, nothing's changed here either, guys. So if we drop down to the day chart, we're still in this downtrend. Yes, we've still got selling candles in here. And the idea is just to come a little bit lower, back down to these last lows, and therefore the first piece of resistance. If we drop down to the H4, yeah, I guess H4, it's a bit clearer. So we want a couple of things to happen, guys. We've got two scenarios. First of all, price retraces back up to here, yeah? Test this last high here, all right? And we get a bearish reaction, okay? Once that happens, we can enter, start selling. I'll probably take some profit here and then leave some profit to run, all right? Or you can see this level keeps holding in here, or we get a break of this level, retest, yeah, and then we can start selling this again back down to here. All right, guys. So yeah, they're the 4 trades that I'm looking at today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 26th of September, guys. So first of all, this is important. Yeah, I know it's only a 2-star rating, but this is important. At 6 o'clock London GMT, if you're up, we've got core CPI coming out of Japan. All right, so this is going to be important, guys. Yeah, so this could really move any of the yen pairs, and we're looking at a couple of yen pairs, so this could be interesting. The next piece of important news is this. At 1 o'clock London GMT, we've got building permits coming out of the US. All right, so must be aware of that. That could move any US dollar pairs. If we carry on down, the next piece of news that we're interested in is this. At 3 o'clock, we've got 2 3-star ratings coming out of the US. We've got consumer confidence and new home sales. So again, this could move any US dollar pairs. All right, guys. So yeah, quite a light news day today. So yeah, you are free to trade pretty much. And guys, yeah, we finished the vid. If you've enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, and share with your trader friends. I hope you have a great trading day. Don't forget to join me for the live stream, 8 AM New York EST time, and I'll catch you then. See you later.